Welcome to Speak English with Muskan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Subscribe my channel.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
What's your name?
My name is Maria. Yours name?
My name is Karen.
Nice to meet you, Karen.
Nice to meet you too, Maria.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old, and you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student, and you?
I work in a bank.
It's very hot today, isn't it?
Yes, I think it's over 40 degrees.
Do you like summer?
Not really. I prefer winter.
Same here, it's cooler and more comfortable.
What do you do in your free time?
Subscribe my channel.
I listen to music and draw.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Not yet, but I want to.
What country would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Japan.
Do you prefer the city or countryside?
I prefer the city.
What's something you're proud of?
I'm proud of graduating college.
What's a goal you have?
I want to become fluent in English.
Are you afraid of anything? I'm afraid of heights. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dog.
Subscribe my channel.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with loved ones makes me happy.
What's your favorite holiday?
Diwali is my favorite holiday.
What do you want to improve in English?
I want to speak more fluently and confidently.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea every morning.
Can you cook?
Yes, I cook Indian dishes.
What food do you dislike?
I don't like mushrooms.
Do you eat out often?
Yes, usually on weekends.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite.
Do you prefer sweet or spicy food?
I prefer spicy food.
Have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, I have tried Chinese food.
Subscribe my channel.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Barbecue Nation.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially ice cream.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go for a walk every evening.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and WhatsApp.
What do you do on weekends?
I watch movies and spend time with my family.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love mystery novels.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading and drawing, and yours?
I enjoy painting and playing.
Subscribe my channel.
Do you always wake up early?
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a 10-minute walk from here.
Cool. I live nearby too.
Maybe we can have coffee again sometime.
Sure, I'd like that.
How about tomorrow evening?
Sounds good. Text me the time.
Will do. See you then.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and fun English speaking practice.